Hey guys, welcome back to Ford Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on a Ford Focus. This one will be for the generation from 2012 up, and specifically here right now we have a 2012 model. And one thing about it is this one is with a 2.0 engine. As you know, in the US market there is only two engines offered. The other one is the ST, but it will be about the same procedure for the European models as well. As you can see right here, when you open the hood on the grill, right here you can find the information about your AC and the capacity that it takes. Okay, if you had just a slow leak, most likely you didn't lose oil, so you don't need to add oil. And right here, that's a refrigerant charge level, 21 ounces or 600 grams. Okay, this one little can is 340 grams, 12 ounces, so you need to add one can and 2/3. And right here now on the back, next to the firewall right there, that's a low pressure side port right here. We need to use this one. Remove the cap by unscrewing it counterclockwise, and now you need to connect the hose to that low pressure port right there. Always have the engine off when you do that. Okay, what we need to do next, we need to start the vehicle. Okay, and after we start it, you need to make sure that you have the AC on and the fan on. Ours is the one with the climate control, but if it's the manual one, it works as well. So AC on, and put it on the coldest you can, like that. And now it's going to take the Freon. You need to press on the trigger and just empty the can in the system. It's going to take you probably about 2-3 minutes for the whole can to go in the system. Okay, you'll be even able to hear the compressor kicking in, and eventually the fans in a little bit will start working as well, the fan, because if the fan doesn't work, your AC compressor will not work for long here. That's for safety, so you don't overheat the car if the fan doesn't work for some reason. Okay, now we need to stop the vehicle, and now we need to change the cans with the second one. And this one, do not add the whole content, just about 2/3 of it. You can feel it like by weight how much it is. Just leave a little bit inside of it, because if you add the whole thing, will be 24 ounces and you need only 21. And now after you connect it again, you need to start the vehicle again and let it run. The second one will take it slower than the first one. Okay, the AC on again. Okay, and you can see it needs to be right here in the green, probably around 35 and 40 PSI. Okay guys, we got about 2/3 of the second can. Now we need to unhook it, and we have ice cold air coming out of the vents. It's pretty cold. So that's how you recharge the AC system on a Ford Focus G generation. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.